I think today's the day. I think we're gonna go ahead and try to get this bumper repair done. I did a little bit of prep work already, watched a couple videos, but it's just, we're just gonna roll the dice and see how this goes. It seems pretty straightforward. This repair doesn't seem as complicated as a lot of the other repairs I've seen online. Some of the ones I've seen online are actually like cracked bumpers. You've got like cracked spoilers and stuff that's actually broken, but ours is pretty straightforward. It's just gonna be that main tab that gets screwed down on the bumper here. But let's dive in and I'll show you what I've done already. My bumper is pretty much already loose. I went ahead and took out the 5/16 screw that holds all of this in, so you can actually see here what we're gonna be trying to fix and replace, which is gonna be this section over here that gets screwed down. Side note, mine had a Phillips on it. But anyways, yeah, so basically we're gonna try to fix this and just see if we can hold this bumper together. The clips themselves down here seem to be in pretty good condition. And I don't even want to get into this. Hopefully these hold for an extended period of time. Alright. Anyways, so let's see what we've got. Here we are with the kit. I ordered this on Amazon. It says it's for bumpers, kayaks, fuel tanks, toys. But anyways, it should have everything we need. So it looks like we've got a brush. We've got our plastic here. We've got our actual iron, which looks like they have a spare tip that comes with it. That's pretty cool. This is a pretty decent size head. Does not look like it's temperature adjustable, which I don't think it was supposed to be. Anyway, so that's good. Looks like we've got some sandpaper. And we've got our wire mesh that we're gonna be cutting. I don't know what this is. Maybe heat tape. But yeah, so we're gonna be using our stainless steel wire mesh and our welding rods. And let's see how this goes. I gotta go ahead and cut some of this wire mesh, and I'm gonna fit it around this section right here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is gonna do a test fit. Probably gonna trim it a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. I did a little bit more trimming work and kind of tried to cut it to a little bit of a shape and see if that kind of helps once I've started melting this thing on here. Yeah, I'll do that. I think I'm gonna put some clips down and just start getting to work on this thing. about to rip off a piece of the sandpaper that they provided here. So it's some 80 grit. So it's just supposed to scuff this up a little. So I'm kind of just breaking the piece off and then spreading it. The video said to make sure you push it through the mesh and not just on top. Trying to make sure I get a good spread here. This stuff's stanky. So I'm trying to re-drill the hole here. So I looked on the other side, and where this last slot is, from the corner of it, 1 inch centered straight down is going to be about where our hole is. So I actually need to move my hole a little bit closer towards me and then go ahead and punch it through. Alright, y'all, you see how it came out? This is my first side. It's not the prettiest looking, but if I can make a recommendation, it's whenever you cut your mesh, just cut it clean. Don't have frayed edges or anything going there. But I think it would have looked better as far as this goes if this fender was lined up properly. I don't know if it's a fender. We got the headlight over here. I'm not quite sure what it is, but something's not lined up properly on the inside. But yeah, I'm happy with this. All right, and over here on the driver's side, it looks a lot cleaner. I'm pretty happy with this side. Looks like I've got a little bit of material left over here. I can probably scrape off. I'm not even gonna mess with it. I actually had to use an angled like bit extension and like curve it up in there to get that screw back in, but other people may have better luck than I, or if you don't have the wheel in there. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I know this is a pretty common issue with RSX vehicles, Tegras in general, the bumper clips. So I hope that somebody found some use out of it. I couldn't find too many specific videos for that exact part that I repaired, but it's pretty much pretty straightforward how you use this the plastic welding kit. So I hope somebody got some use out of it, and I really do, yeah, just recommend that one, let your soldering kit heat up properly before you start trying to work on it. You'll be able to tell. You're not going to be melting nothing. It's not hot enough. And then if you do decide to cut your mesh like I did, instead of just using it just like straight squares, just make sure that your stainless steel mesh doesn't have too many frayed edges. It makes it a little bit harder to melt the edges down to your bumper whenever you apply your soldering iron. So, but yeah, I can't think of anything else. I'm not exactly sure what I've got next. The only thing I have off the top of my head is going to be these the clips that make the privacy cover on the trunk hang up. They're broken right now, so I was thinking maybe hit up a junkyard around here and see what they've got. That might be a whole video in itself. Maybe some junkyard find videos, but yeah, we'll see. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.